In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tags in Evernote. If you're looking to declutter your tag list or simply organizing your workspace more effectively, managing your tags is an essential step. Let's dive into the straightforward process of deleting tags without losing any data you want to keep. First, open your Evernote application and locate the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar acts as your main navigation tool within Evernote and is packed with different sections like notes, notebooks, and importantly, tags. Gaze over it until you spot the section labeled Tags, which is what we're focusing on today. Click on it to open up your complete list of tags. This section gives you a comprehensive view of all the tags you currently have at your disposal. From here, you can effectively manage them, whether it's organizing, renaming, or, in our case, deleting them. Once you've accessed your list of tags, scroll through to find the specific tag you wish to remove. As you hover over the tag you're targeting, watch for a subtle appearance of 3 vertical dots right beside it. These dots are essentially your gateway to a variety of options. Clicking on them unveils a small menu. Evernote's design aims to keep your interface clean and focused by providing these options only when needed. Upon clicking the 3 dots, a list of features will drop down, tailored to the particular tag you've chosen. In this list, you'll find Delete Tag, which is the option we need. Clicking Delete Tag will prompt a confirmation message. This step is crucial as it serves as a safeguard, ensuring that tags are not accidentally removed. Confirming this choice will then permanently delete the chosen tag. Remember, removing a tag from your tags list in Evernote will not delete any of the notes associated with that tag. The notes will remain safely stored in your notes section, just untagged. Always ensure you're certain about removing a tag, particularly if you've used it extensively, as it could make locating certain notes trickier in the future without the tag as a reference point. With these steps, you can easily manage and eliminate the clutter of unused or unnecessary tags in Evernote, helping streamline your productivity. Mastering tag management not only cleans up your Evernote experience but also allows you to become more efficient in how you organize and retrieve your important information. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in your quest to keep your Evernote workspace neat and well organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Evernote effectively. See you in the next video.